All right, as you can see, it's another foggy, rainy morning, and we're gonna bring the milk cows back in again and get them right up next to the corral to feed them. Like I said, get them used to coming in, so these cows that are getting ready to be milked soon will already know the routine. We just had one cow had a calf last night, so she's up in the pen, and we give her about 24 hours and then start milking her. We want to let that calf get its colostrum, and that first milking that we're going to do is going to be mainly colostrum, so we're going to freeze and keep some of that in case we need it in the future. But let's go ahead and bring the cows in and start.
Here you go. Mom wants you to try this.
What is it?
It's a green smoothie.
A green smoothie. What is a green smoothie? What is that? You don't know? You don't know? What's in it? What am I chewing on? It's like broccoli or something? All right. I feel like Popeye now. I'm ready to go. All right, let's get these cows and bring them on up. Some of you might be wondering why these cows are so short. And that's because these are miniature cows. These are miniature Jerseys. They require less acreage, they eat less, they don't produce massive amounts of milk like the big dairy cows do. They're perfect little homestead cows, so that's why they're this short and not this tall, in case you were wondering. Come on, Penny, let's go. Come on. She's the cow. Pretty much the whole reason we have to do this is because she doesn't like to come up here. And when it comes time for us to milk her, she's out running around the pasture and won't come in. It's a pain, so we have to bring them all up in here. She's like, wait, I don't see the feeder, so I'm not coming in there. So, there you go. Come on. Come on, girl. Oh, she's going. She's like, I'm out. Come on, Penny. The gate's still wide open too. And she's the one that's supposed to have a calf here pretty quick. There she goes. I guess we'll try it again tomorrow with her. Well, look who decided to show up. And while the cows are eating, I'm just petting them here, getting them used to being touched, because when it comes time for milking, you're going to have your hands on these cows a lot, and we just want them to be used to being touched and petted and moved around, and so it's not such a surprise for them. See, look at her peeking over the hill. She's like, I ain't going in there. You ain't touching my udders. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? Well, look at that cute little baby. Ready for some feed, Mama? Let me get you some. I'm gonna play with your baby while you're eating. What a cute little man. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Look at that pink little nose. There we go. There we go. So you're going to notice that Lila is safely behind the panel in case Mama Cow is being very protective. Try to, from the very beginning, keep our hands on this calf and pet on it and love it and let it get used to being around people, because we're still going to let the cow raise this calf and we're going to be milking her as well. So a lot of times bottle babies will be really gentle, but calves that are raised by the mama cow will kind of be a little more skittish and standoffish. But if we do this every day, especially when we bring the cow in to be milked, then that calf will be used to being around people and will be friendly and easy to be around. So Lila's really good at gentling down these calves. She loves to come out here and love on them and pet them. And that just gets them, like I said, used to being around people and not being scared of them. Look who's deciding to show up. All the food is gone. You're looking wide, girl. She's due to have her calf anytime. We got some more food coming. There she comes. Golly, you look like you're about to pop. She's always real leery about all this for some reason. We are going to go ahead and try to keep this cow in the yard because she looks like she's getting ready to pop. And Lila's running to close the gate. Hurry, Lila! Gotcha.
She's our nicest one.
Now you're staying in here until you have that baby now. We got you now. Please subscribe and stay tuned for our next video on what to do your first day of milking.